if you want to have a full control over the for cycle, you need to know how to use break. Break means it's end of the for cycle. Okay, so sometimes if you have a for cycle and it goes, for example, 100 times, there can be a condition when something is happen, stop the for cycle, end it, and break, do it. So how does it work? So for example, only a simple example, okay? For number in, and we know range 1 to 10, for example. So it will generate the numbers from 1 to 9, 10 isn't included, no, remember it. And for example, here the number 1 will be stored in number and we do something, number 2 will store in number, we do something, and so on and so on. But for example, the point of our code will be if we will see, if we will reach number 5, we need to stop the cycle. Okay, so how we will do that? I will write if number is equal to 5. Remember, it is condition, so there has to be column exactly like this, for cycle column, if column. So we will put here break, and this will stops the loop completely. Okay, and I will print here a number. Sorry, like this. So we will run it and we will see what will happen. I will run it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what happened? The range generate number 1. It will store a number. If number 1 is equal to 5, no, it isn't. So it's false. We will jump right here, print number 1. After that, range generate number 2, store a number. If number 2 is equal to 5, no, it isn't, it's false. We will jump here and we print number 2. 3, the same, 4, the same. And now the range generate number 5. Number is 5. If number 5 is equal to 5, yes, it's true. So break. And it means stop the cycle. So if I will print something like this, so some code will continue here after the for cycle. So it means if I will run it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 code. Okay, so it means if the number was 5, 5 is equal to 5. So the break was activated, and break means don't continue in the for cycle. Break it, stop it. Okay, it's end. And after that, we have some code after the for cycle, and it will run. Okay, I hope you understand. So if you need to stop if there is some condition when you need to stop a for cycle, you need to use a break. Okay.